Fun fact, back in 2021, I created my first Amazon baby registry. I barely got to add 9 items on it before we suffered a miscarriage, and I had to close that one before I could create a new one. It was quite painful. Hi everyone. So today I have my Amazon free baby registry gift. Fun fact, I had my first Amazon baby registry, or I created my first Amazon baby registry back in 2021. I barely got to add 9 items to it before we had a miscarriage. So I didn't complete it and I didn't get the gift box. This time around, I didn't start it until 12 weeks. Yeah, I was 12 weeks before I started it because every time I open it, I always have this fear on the back of my mind. But I was like, whatever, I'm going to do it. And I'm glad I completed it. I think to get this free box, you have to buy something worth of $10. So I bought a diaper bag. Yeah, that was the thing I bought. It's a diaper bag, and they delivered this to me. So let's see what's inside this. Oh, all right. First up, we have Pampers. This is like Pampers reward app. So download the app or scan the barcode, download the app. Then I don't know what else follows, but I believe the instructions are there. Then next we have this baby breezer bottle. Which one is this? Is it just the sterilizer or all three? Oh, okay. Just baby breezer thing available on Amazon. I think what I added on my registry is the one from Mom Cozy, like the all-in-one. I like that one. It's not as bulky as the baby breezer. Then next we have baby jeggings. Then baby bjorn. I've seen really great reviews on their bouncers and the carrier. Then water wipes, definitely. I have this on my baby registry. I definitely have this water wipes, at least for the first month or first 2 months. Then we have Factor. I don't think they can cook what I can eat. I'm in Nigerian and we have our own kind of food, but maybe we'll try out something from there. Then, oh, okay. This is really cool. Welcome to Amazon Baby Registry, free returns, all the benefits of having Amazon Registry. Oh, this is really cool. I really like that. And now we have the goodie box, or the goodie bag. Oh, this one is a swaddle. Yeah, it's a Muslim swaddle. I need to learn how to do that. Oh, swaddle designs. This is from Amazing Baby. This is I believe this is a, what is this called? A onesie. This is a onesie. Oh, I really like this color. It's so cute. Oh my god. This is for 3 months. Oh, it's so small. Okay. What is this one? Oh, yeah. I believe I have this Palmer's on my registry also. I've heard it helps with stretch marks. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. We'll see. Then these are the water wipes. Oh, how many is in here? There's like 10 of them. 10 water wipes in here. And we have Dr. Brown's anti-colic baby bottle. Another baby bottle. Which one is this? MAM. M-A-M. Okay. It's a baby bottle. I think it has a pacifier inside also. Yeah. And Aquaphor. Oh yeah. I've used it for myself, like when my skin was really dry. I really liked it. Then another bottle. This is from Philips Avent. Another bottle. And baby jeggings calming lotion. And that's all we have in here. Yeah, that's all we got. These are really cool items. Surprised, I thought they usually add diapers, but I don't know. This is all we have. These are really cool items. At least we have like three baby bottles, one swaddle, one onesie. I really like this onesie, but it's very small for 3 months. It's very small. and lots of coupons and other things, wipes. Yep, that's all we got. I'm trying to complete the one from what is it called? Baby list. I don't know if I'm going to be creating on Target and Amazon. I think sorry, I'm not sure if I'm going to be creating on Target and Walmart. I think I'm just going to stick with probably Amazon and Baby List. Well, we'll see how that turn of events goes. But so far, this is all we have for now. We haven't started making any purchases for the baby. The only thing that we have is like my faith bag that I have that I usually buy things and keep randomly when I go to the store. I see something I buy and put inside the bag. I call it my faith bag. But aside that, we haven't started buying anything for the baby. Well, if you count the baby, the diaper bag that I bought so I could get this. Well, that's it. That we haven't started. I know I've asked my husband and he said we'll start buying things when I'm 6 months. I'm like, you think I'm going to have energy at 6 months to be going from one store to the other? Well, we'll see how that goes. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.